A well-tuned animation can bring your ideas and designs to life. Choose between Figma's easing presets or customize your own easing curves using the Bezier curve editor. To apply an easing curve to an animation, open the Prototyping tab in the right side panel. Then, create or select any prototyping connection. You can apply easing curves for any prototype animation except for Instant. In the Animation section of the Interactions Details panel, you can find the easing options underneath the animation type. Standardized easing curves include ease in and out, and linear. Additional easing presets include ease in back, ease out back, and ease in and out back. To add more polish, you can create your own custom easing curves by selecting the Custom option. This will open the Bezier curve editor. Create and edit custom easing curves by clicking and dragging on each keyframe to create Bezier handles, or by adjusting the numerical values at the bottom of the panel. Copy and paste these numerical values to others to replicate an ease. You can reset handles if they fall outside of the Bezier curve editor boundaries by clicking on the keyframe, or by entering 00 for the initial keyframe and 11 for the ending keyframe and the numerical values. Mousing over the preview window will display a preview of your animation. Figma's easing options add polish to your prototypes and bring your ideas and designs to life. For example, you can create an error animation for a button by using a combination of Smart Animate, changing the position of your button, and custom easing curves.